Hi, I'm Amy, and this is my ute. So I've started dismantling it, been doing it for a couple of weeks now, and I've found a few things that we need to fix. And so here's our engine bay. We've started de-rusting the ute, trying to make it look good. Haven't even started looking at any of that yet. All I'm doing at the moment is dismantling and cleaning. So I've got all the wood out, and getting all the wood out, we discovered that we're sort of assuming that this isn't meant to be like this, and that it's had a pretty heavy load on the tailgate at some point in its life. Don't really know, but that's something that we're going to look into. We're going to replace all the timber. The timber work is going to be my main focus on this. I'm going to extend the timber work a little bit through all the way, because when I pulled it apart, the timber only came to sort of here, and it looks like it may have been all the way across. So yeah, I'm going to take it all the way back and make some compartments in there. I've taken all the roof lining out. That was pretty gross. There was a rat's nest up in here, so I've got rust to repair in there. Like, really, the rust in it is not real bad. Just, it looks like it may have been rolled at some point. So we've got, it's detached the pillar from the chassis. She's got a nice crack in here, and the roof sort of also indicates that. Plus there's a couple of the rails are bent. Just the way it's bent, just looks like it's been on its lid some point. Seems like I'm collecting them now. Is Eugene been on its roof too? So this one has scored the name Milady, because I love her lady lumps, and she's so beautiful. And all I'm doing at the moment is just pulling her apart and cleaning her. She's keeping the same. I found that number plate at the dump, so I chucked it on. I thought it looked cool. Hairdresser's going to stay the same, but everything else, it'll be cleaned within an inch of its life. But yeah, I'm going to have fun with it. I'm an artist, so why not? But trying to keep her original sort of character as much as I can. Yeah. So follow along if you want. It'll be an interesting journey, no doubt. But yeah, I do plan on getting her running and on the road at some point. All right, have a good day, guys. Bye.